designers, ready to take your branding game to the next level? Today we're showcasing 5 free premium logo PSDs that are perfect for elevating your projects. These logos are stylish, professional, and absolutely free to download. Stick around until the end and let's dive in. First up, we have this neon-inspired futuristic design. The sharp, edgy typography screams boldness and creativity. With fluorescent green accents and a high-tech vibe, this logo is perfect for gaming, tech, or digital branding. It's a game changer for any brand looking to make a statement. Next, check out this intense red-hot design. The sleek curves and metallic finish give it a powerful, modern look. If your brand wants to stand out and command attention, this logo is the one for you. It's fiery, bold, and unforgettable. Now let's dive into the world of deep, electric blue vibes. This logo features a smooth, dynamic design, making it perfect for sports, esports, and digital brands. The layered depth and sharp lines add a premium touch, enhancing any brand's visual identity. On to the fourth logo, a high-energy, neon green masterpiece. This design radiates speed, aggression, and futuristic aesthetics. For brands wanting a sleek and bold identity, this logo delivers an impactful punch that can't be ignored. Last but definitely not least, we have this minimalistic, dark-themed logo that exudes pure class. The mystic black tones paired with a crisp white emblem create an elite, luxurious feel. If your brand needs a strong, mysterious presence, this logo is the ideal choice. So there you have it, 5 premium logo PSDs, all for free. Whether you're designing for esports, tech, or modern brands, these designs will make your projects shine. Download them now and start creating. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible design content. Thanks for watching, and